World First Aid Day is observed annually on the second Saturday of September to raise awareness about the importance of first aid in saving lives and preventing injuries. Organized by the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies, IFRC, the day emphasizes that everyone has the ability to provide basic first aid in emergencies, making communities safer and more resilient. First aid is the initial assistance given to a person suffering from injury or illness before professional medical help arrives. It can significantly reduce the severity of injuries and even prevent fatalities in critical situations such as accidents, burns, heart attacks, or choking. On this day, organizations and communities worldwide hold workshops, training sessions, and awareness campaigns to teach basic first aid techniques, such as CPR, wound care, and handling fractures. These activities aim to empower people to respond confidently during emergencies and ensure timely action. World First Aid Day also highlights the need for accessible first aid training for all, regardless of age or background. By spreading knowledge about first aid, the day reinforces the idea that quick and effective responses can save lives, reduce suffering, and contribute to a safer world for everyone.